Hi everybody, it's Theresa again. The other video did so well that we're back again to do another video. Bohyme is so great. Another breakthrough with hair. They came out with this line called M-Tied. It is a machine tied, however, it is a lot flatter, looks so much more natural and thin. It is on their Ethos collection, so therefore all of the hair blondes are ashier, which a lot of people are loving the ashy colors, so you know they're going in that direction. The difference between this one, the M-Tied, and the machine weft, a lot thinner. And who wants to have a bump on their hair? How about something a little bit more thinner and flatter, more natural looking? I've tried it on a client. She absolutely loves it. She loves the color. She loves the thickness of it. And what's best of all is she loves how thin it is on her head. So natural. I would highly recommend trying this, especially for all the stylists out there who are looking to get something flatter but a machine tie, something strong. I would highly recommend this only because, again, you can cut this without worrying about any hair falling out. So any of you hairdressers who want to come in and take a look at it, we should be getting the full collection of the M-Tied coming in the next couple of weeks. Come in, take a look at it, give us a call, DM us, whatever you want to do, but we should be heavily posting this on our Instagram page coming up soon. You're going to love it. Ashy, smoky, beautiful colors, you know. Again, any questions, just give us a call. We'll be here. Thanks, guys.